Just took it for a drive. I need the alignment badly, man, but it was fun. We got up to, you know, so we got up there, you know. First time test driving it that crazy on the highway. But the alignment was just so bad. The car just kept swerving, and I ain't gonna lie, it scared the hell out of me for a little bit. But overall, it was fun. Once I fixed the alignment, fixed the wheels, I think I should be good enough to, you know, push it a little bit until it's time to upgrade.